Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin Up. I've got a really cute little project to share with you guys today, and this is a little sleeve and it can house a pen or a pencil, an emery board or a nail file. On this one I've put in my bone folder, and if you notice on this one there's only one score line, but on this one I added an extra score line, 1/8 of an inch. So I'm going to show you how I did today's project. I have a piece of lemon lime cardstock. I have my Stampin' trimmer, and we're going to cut this down. We're going to cut it to 1 3/4. And we are going to cut it at 10.5. We are also going to do a score mark at 4 inches using your lighter blade. Now this would be the time if you wanted to put in 1/8 of an inch to do the extra score line, but I'm not going to do that for this one. I have my envelope punch board. You're going to fold your cardstock on the score line. You're going to line it up at the 3-inch mark, and you're going to punch, and you're going to flip it, and you're going to do the same. And then while you have your punch board, you're just going to round off these corners. Now this is optional, you don't have to. So I went ahead and I added some designer series paper, and this is free with a qualifying order called Bubbles and Fizz. And this piece I have cut at 1 5/8 by 2 3/4. And I just put it on there using my multi-purpose liquid glue. I am now going to put the bone folder in the little sleeve. Now you can add some adhesive along here, but I did not. I know that it's not going to move or go anywhere, so I didn't bother to add any adhesive. I'm using some of this Shimmer Ribbon, and again this is also free with a qualifying order. You get 3 spools with 5 yards of each, and I am just going to tie a knot. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I will have a detailed description about today's project over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed anything, I will have a detailed description about today's project. I got my paper snips. I'm just going to snip this off. And there you have it. Now you can add a little sentiment. You can also write in a little sentiment over here or in the back. It's up to you. But just a fun way to give somebody something. And I hope you enjoyed today's project. And again, thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.